When the ocean rises and thunders roll, I will soar with you above the storms. Father, you are king over the flood. I will be still and know you are God. I will find rest, my soul in Christ alone. My soul in Christ alone. I will soar with you above the storm. Father, you are king over the flood.